when you don't have certainty, when you don't know what's around the corner, when you don't know how the day is going to turn out, then the only way that you can lead people is through trust. People trust people that are willing to lead with them and be in the middle of things. The most important lesson that I've learned about leadership is that you can't lead unless you can see the world through the eyes of the people who you are leading. If you can't see how they view you and how they view the circumstances, how can you possibly influence them?
Part of what we teach our students to do is to listen acutely. You know, if you listen and think at the same time, instead of talking all the time, you find that your degree of critical thinking goes way, way up.
People who operate in these kinds of environments have to be very good at gauging other people's level of arousal, other people's motivation, and then complementing that. Yellers and screamers don't do very well in these environments because people are already spun up. You know, they need someone who can calm them down.